What if the most terrifying place in the universe isn't filled with monsters, or explosions, or black holes? What if it's terrifying because there is almost nothing there? A region so empty that it shouldn't exist at all. A place where the universe appears to have forgotten itself. Scientists discovered it decades ago, and even today, they still don't fully understand what it means. This is not a theory. This is not science fiction. This place is real, and it raises a terrifying question: is the universe more broken than we think? For a long time, scientists believed the universe followed clear, predictable rules. After the Big Bang, matter spread out. Gravity slowly pulled that matter together. Galaxies formed clusters. Stars formed systems. And on the largest scale, the universe looked balanced. Not perfect, but understandable. Even empty space wasn't truly empty. It still contained energy, radiation, particles popping in and out of existence. According to every major model, a massive, nearly empty region of space simply should not form. And yet, astronomers found exactly that. In the late 1970s and early 1980s, astronomers were mapping distant galaxies. They expected to see a relatively even distribution. Instead, they found a shocking gap. A region of space with almost nothing inside it. This region became known as the Boötes Void. And to understand how disturbing this is, you need to understand its size. The Boötes Void is roughly 330 million light-years across. Light, the fastest thing in existence, would take hundreds of millions of years just to cross it. Inside this enormous volume of space, scientists expected to find thousands of galaxies. Instead, they found almost none. The Boötes Void isn't completely empty. But that's what makes it even stranger. Only a tiny handful of galaxies exist inside it. These galaxies are widely separated, unusually isolated, and oddly structured. They look like survivors, not residents. Imagine a city the size of a continent with only a few scattered houses, none of them connected by roads. That's how unnatural this region is. Statistically, the odds of such a void forming by random chance are unbelievably small. Some calculations suggest it should not exist at all. The real fear isn't the emptiness itself. The fear is what it implies. The Boötes Void challenges our understanding of gravity, dark matter, dark energy, and the large-scale structure of reality. Some theories suggest dark energy may be pushing matter away faster than expected. Others propose that early quantum fluctuations stretched space unevenly. But none of these explanations fully account for a void this massive. Which leads to an unsettling possibility. Our models of the universe may be incomplete. What makes cosmic voids truly disturbing is how quietly they operate. They don't explode. They don't collapse. They simply exist. Over billions of years, these vast empty regions may influence how galaxies move, how matter flows, how fast the universe expands. Some scientists believe voids may even exaggerate the effects of dark energy, accelerating the universe's expansion in subtle, invisible ways. Not violently, but slowly, relentlessly. Imagine a galaxy drifting closer to a massive cosmic void. Over unimaginable time scales. Fewer stars might form, galaxies could become isolated, cosmic resources could thin out. Life wouldn't disappear overnight. But the universe would grow quieter, colder, more distant, a slow fading, driven not by destruction, but by absence. Even today, scientists still don't know why the Boötes Void is so enormous, why matter avoided this region, whether it formed naturally, or whether it reveals deeper flaws in our understanding of reality. Every new observation raises more questions than answers. And perhaps that's the most unsettling truth. The universe doesn't just hide dangers. It hides explanations. The Boötes Void reminds us that reality is not obligated to make sense to us. There may be regions of the universe where our laws of physics simply don't apply. Or worse, where they apply only partially. So here's the question: is the universe incomplete, or is our understanding still dangerously small? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if mysteries like this fascinate you, like, comment and subscribe to UltraFactX Studio.